we would like to try breakfast bagels.
Hello, Auntie. Happy to be part of your day, Auntie.
Babe can't choose, there's too much to choose from. I've made up my decision. I've selected. Egg is not well done. No! Guys, jet lag has us on a chokehold. Like for me, it's been the same. Like around 1-2 p.m. I cannot do anything. 6 is just here. I feel drained. And then today I gave in. We came back after having our breakfast bagels, and we were supposed to go to Central Park. And babe was like, "Oh, where's the room? Where's the hotel? We should go there to get sunglasses because the sun was out." And guess what? We came in. Now it's 5 p.m. After 5, we came in around 1 p.m. So now we are fresh. We are ready to take on New York City. So yeah. This old building, beautiful design, art outside, and right there we have the world's, or I don't know, let me not say world's, but the thinnest, tallest building in New York, that one there. So that is Stein Tower from Central Park, the one on my left. So yeah, left. There's an icon Kyun there. You see there? Icon Kyun there. There on the fence, it's going down. So they also playing baseball. There's a baseball field in here. There's a lot of things that you can do here. There's like a carousel there for kids, and there's stuff around. There's the buildings again. Ooh, so the tables are for chess and checkers, which is quite nice. You can just bring your games and you just play. Awesome. And it's information center as well with bathrooms. Finally, I'm gonna get a cherry blossom moment. First time ever in my life, guys. Babe always says these things come next to him and not be afraid. There's Babe. There's the icon kin. And we are trying to get shots by the cherry blossom tree. Guys, just being a celebrity here by the tree. Guys, my time with the tree is gone, so now we have to go. You want to go get the burger now? Hey, this thing is like you. Hi, I Kyun. We don't have anything. Sorry. We don't have anything. Not my Starbucks. No. Clearly doesn't drink Starbucks. Can you guys see those people on the rock there? They're actually praying. I wish I could join them just to pray. It's a beautiful spot for praying, I guess. Honestly, there's nothing wow about Central Park. It's just a park, I guess. I don't know why. It's just a big park in the middle of New York City. I guess that's why it's, yeah, but it's nice. It's got a lot of greenery, it's got a lot of nature. So if you like being outdoors, you like being outside, it's a nice place to be. I think on a warmer day, it would be very nice here. And maybe like in full bloom summer or like spring when it's like warm, because now it is freakishly freezing and I don't want to be sitting outside in the cold. But yeah, it's a nice place to be. So now we are going back into the city center, I guess, back to the buildings and the chaos. Guys, buildings here are massive, like massive buildings. They're so huge. Besides being tall, they are also like fat massive. So now we're gonna go find Babe's burger place. Babe, where's the burger place?
Not far from the hotel.
Okay, so that way. Alright, so we're going back.
Supermarket.
But if we go to supermarket, we have to go to the hotel, no?
Yeah, we have to, but then it's done.
Okay. Alright, so supermarket, so we go to Target first.
Target, yeah.
And then we go to get a burger. It's like lights everywhere. Like we're not even on 7th yet, we're on 6th, but the lights on the street. Or is it already 7th? So that's the same Stein building, the tallest, thinnest building in New York, with the view from our room. This is our room. It's messy. Made it to 7th Street Burger and fries. Let's go in. Baby? You wanna come sit this side? Sure. It's tiny. I should have taken double. Oh, it looks yummy though. Please take out the fries. And thumbs up, thumbs down. It's amazing. The patties are nice. That is the Empire State Building, so we're going there. But first we stop at Macy's. Macy's. Guys, we're inside the Empire State Building, but the side we're on is only for tenants. So the public, it has to be on the street that we were just in. But anyways, we've seen it. Guys, there's a cool thing that happens every night at Times Square at 23:57. So we're heading there. We just got dressed quickly and now we're heading there. Guys, you see how light it is? It's as if it's like daytime, but it's because of that big billboard there. You guys saw it yesterday. So we're going there, the grandstand. So our hotel is just here and we're literally in Times Square. So now we have to go sit at the top there and watch the ball drop. We'll see what it is. It's cool. Everyone here is apparently waiting for the same thing. I think so, because we saw this yesterday and we were like, why is everyone here? But now we understand. On that pillar there's going to be a countdown, and for 3 minutes all these boards are going to change and they're going to do some art exhibition show thingy. So countdown, 3 minutes, art everywhere instead of all of these ads. So cool, right? So let's go up. We have to go up there. The countdown today, so come back tomorrow. We have 2 more nights here, so it's yeah. But anyways, the art is happening. You guys see the art? Oh, cool. Yeah, there. Eating after midnight.
People still shopping.
And people still shopping in the shops after midnight.
So if people are still shopping, you can eat.
No, it's not good for you.
Huh?
It's not good for you, but it's the hot dog is nice and spicy. I like it. Babe got McDonald's. I'm like, I don't want McDonald's. I'm trying as much as possible to just eat stuff from here.